We are back with the 2K to $2 million reboot update. Today is July 12th, 2024. As you can see, we are pretty much in the same place we were yesterday. Solana hasn't really been moving. It's pretty much going sideways. No major movements, no nothing. It's pretty much looking dead. But I know when that move comes, it's going to move fast. I know back in September, somebody suggested to me to trade Solana. It was around $20, between 20 and $24 at the time. And I knew it was time for the market to make a strong move, but I wouldn't trade Solana because Solana was more than double its 52-week low. I think its 52-week low was like around $8 and something. So I was like, yeah. I was looking at that as how much further it can drop from its current price. It was around $20 at the time. And I was looking at things like ADA and other coins because those coins were near their 52-week low. So I was like, these are the coins I'm focused on investing in. So I got into ADA, and soon as it went up a little bit, I was out of it. I took small profits. If I would have just held it, because I had at the time I had on one of my accounts I had 75 ADA at around 75,000 ADA in that contract or those contracts at around 29 cents per ADA. And I had another account where I had 22 Ethereum at around 1700, and I sold both of them. I think because I had been holding that ADA for so long that I ended up selling the ADA for about $200 profit. And that goes back to what I was talking about a video or two ago, is about being impatient. I believe that's the number one skill, and I call it a skill because it has to be developed. Patience is something that has to be developed, and I'm still very impatient to my liking when it comes to trading. And like I said, Solana's about to make a move, and if I'm not patient, I'm not gonna reap the real benefits of that move. In order to make big gains in trading, you have to be patient with your winners. You have to be willing to hold your winners. Some people may be like, "Well, damn, I don't want to lose a winning trade," but if you want to make big gains, you have to be willing once again to hold your winners and sell your losers. You got to get rid of your losers and keep your winners. You have to, it's a fine line, but you have to learn that line and you have to be patient enough to let things play out. Let things come to you. I would get into trades because I'm afraid to miss things. That's that's what they call FOMO, fear of missing out. I didn't want to miss out on the gains. And that's how you end up getting your head split open. But yeah, patience. Patience is the key. And I'm gonna keep on piping that because I know that's one of my downfalls. I have a lot of different rules that I can follow. If I follow them, I would be looking pretty good right now with my trading gains, but it's not so because I'm impatient. If I'd have just held, because I was thinking, I said, if I can just hold my ADA to 75 cents, that's what I was thinking. Within 5 months, I would have had that 75 cents. I would have that trade would have, even with fees, would have got me around 30 grand just off of that trade. Let alone the Ethereum trade. If I would have held that to like 3,500, which that's what I was saying in my head. But like I said, I took short money. I didn't even close. Like I said, either one of them trades for more than $500. Both of them was around a couple of hundred, a few $100s. So anyway, hopefully it's different this time. Like right now, I know that the fourth quarter of the year is usually when we have a lot of gains, fast gains, and this being after the halving, the Bitcoin halving, I'm pretty sure that some parabolic moves will start to take place November, December-ish time. So I really would like to do a couple of closings and get this account up to at least 5, 6 grand before November, because I know between November and February I can possibly take the account 10 to 20x the account. Because like whatever position I get in October, that's a position I would plan on holding until that crypto, whatever I'm in, it's going to be something that I'm confident will at least 5x. And so that's what I'll be looking to do, hold it until we get that 5x. But as of right now, Solana is playing dead. It's playing possum. I'm not going to fall for it. I'm going to be patient and we're going to see what happens. Talk to you next video.